Special pepper chicken fry recipe. Do you like the taste and smell of pepper? This easy and spicy pepper chicken recipe will definitely blow your mind. Let's move to the video. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Add 2 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well and saute it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now onion color has changed to slightly golden color. Now add 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 4 tablespoon curd and mix it well for 1 minute. Now add 500 grams chicken with bones and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well for 3 minutes on high flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now make it medium flame and close the lid. Cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the lid and add 5 to 6 curry leaves and 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for another 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the lid and cook on high flame until it becomes dry. Stir in between. Switch off the flame. Our simple pepper chicken fry recipe is ready. If you need it more spicy, add some chopped green chilies before serving.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.